In this video, I'll guide you through how to sync HubSpot tasks to Google Calendar. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your HubSpot settings, what options to choose, and what limitations to look out for so your tasks show up properly in your Google Calendar. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your web browser and head over to HubSpot.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your HubSpot account using your usual credentials. Make sure you're in the right account if you have access to more than one, because the settings we're about to adjust apply to the specific portal you're currently using. Once you're logged in and on your main HubSpot dashboard, look toward the top of the screen for the settings icon. This is usually represented by a small gear symbol. Click on that settings icon to open your account settings. This is where HubSpot keeps most of the configuration options related to your profile, tools, and integrations. After the settings page loads, you'll see a navigation panel on the left-hand side. From here, click on the section labeled General. The general area contains preferences related to your personal user settings, including language, time zone, and of course, calendar connections. Within the general settings, look for the tab or option called Calendar. Go ahead and click on Calendar. This section is dedicated to how HubSpot connects with and uses your external calendar accounts such as Google Calendar or Outlook. If you haven't connected a calendar yet, this is typically where HubSpot will prompt you to link your Google Calendar account, and you may need to follow the on-screen instructions to sign into Google and grant permissions. Make sure you allow HubSpot to access your calendar so it can create and manage events for you. Once you're in the calendar area, you'll see a portion of the page labeled Account Settings or something similar. Within that, look for a section called Tasks Calendar Sync. This is the key setting that controls how your HubSpot tasks appear on your external calendar. Take a moment to read any short description HubSpot provides there, since it explains how the sync behaves and which types of tasks will show up. Next, find the drop-down menu associated with Tasks Calendar Sync. Click on this drop-down, and from the available options, select HubSpot Task. Choosing this option tells HubSpot that you want your HubSpot tasks to sync over to your connected calendar, letting you see upcoming to-dos alongside your regular meetings and events. This can be especially helpful for time blocking, planning your day, and making sure no important task slips through the cracks. In some cases, when you select the HubSpot task option, you might see a message that says only available to users assigned a sales starter seat or higher. If you see this notice, it means that syncing tasks to your calendar is a feature that requires a certain level of HubSpot subscription or a specific seat type. You won't be able to complete the task sync unless your user is assigned the appropriate paid seat. If that applies to you, you may want to talk with your account administrator or check your current subscription to see whether upgrading or adjusting seat assignments is an option. And that's it. Once everything is set correctly and your account has the needed access, your HubSpot tasks will start appearing in your Google Calendar according to the sync rules HubSpot provides.